Hi, it's Airx Laboratories, and we have a brand new pathogen control system we want to tell you about. It involves a new product as well as a new system for dispensing and using those disinfectants. We started out to identify and deal with the three common problems that most people have with proper pathogen control. The first is dilution. You've got a ½ ounce per gallon product, a 1 ounce per gallon product, a 2 ounce per gallon product. You've got to run it through a dispensing system. We tried to make it as simple as possible. Airx Spray N Go is ready to use. You take it right out of the bottle and you use it. There's no fancy blending system needed. We've solved that problem. The next one is probably the most important one, is dwell time. Spray N Go has dramatically lower dwell times, and dwell time is where the surface has to remain wet with the disinfectant product for it to effectively kill what it says it kills on the bottle. Most products on the market are 10 minutes. Our product starts out at 5 seconds for a sanitizing claim, and most of the kill claims are at 2 minutes. So you can imagine there's a dramatic difference between a 10-minute dwell time and it remaining wet. In most cases, you're going to have to put multiple applications of the product down versus either 5 seconds, 1 minute, or 2 minutes. Big difference. Makes your whole job that much easier. You don't have to worry about whether or not you've left it down for the proper time period or not. Very short dwell times are going to eliminate that problem altogether. And then the last one is, how do you actually apply those disinfectants? We put together two dispensing systems. One is the Spray and Roll 2.5 gallon container, pressurized, no batteries, no electrostatic stuff that maybe breaks, it's very expensive. 2.5 gallons, it dispenses out in a fine mist so you can cover those surfaces you have to easily. Then we also have the new Spray and Go Mini that's going to be available shortly. That holds 50 ounces of product. So if you have small areas maybe you couldn't get the larger unit into, you can do it with this one here. So it's all brand new, available now. Go to airxlabs.com for more information. Thanks a lot.